Namaste guys, hope you guys are doing well and welcome back. This video is about a small portion of Andhra and Orissa border where I came across some beautiful, secret, unseen, unexplored, hidden waterfalls. Most of these waterfalls you will see in this video are located very near to the old British road or Turner Ghat. This particular road was originally constructed around year 1873 during the British rule and has recently been renovated. These waterfall locations are so beautiful, as you can see. They look somewhat like deep jungle rainforest waterfalls. Some of the waterfalls in this video are located near to the villages Ranasingi, Paniki and Kumbi Palsha, and there are several more further deep, but they are extremely difficult to reach. Even the locals are unaware of the existence of some of these waterfalls, and most of these waterfalls are seasonal. So if you are to visit these places during off season, you may not find anything here. I was only able to capture a few of them as the rest of them are not that easily accessible, and I was told that there were tigers or big cats spotted recently in these areas, and hence I didn't want to spend much time here. After an hour-long trek from Ranasingi village with the help of locals, we finally managed to reach some of these hidden waterfall locations. However, we've been warned in advance not to get into the water as you never know how deep they are. As you may have seen in this video, the depth here at one particular waterfalls area was easily over 10 feet. These particular locations are so beautiful and very tempting to swim and to dive, but it's not recommended and taking risk is not worth it. It is also not recommended to travel or trek alone in these lonely areas and woody areas as you may get lost. Locals here don't speak Telugu or Hindi, and I don't understand or speak Odia, so communicating with the locals was a bit challenging for me. Luckily, we came across a couple of gentlemen who spoke Telugu, and thankfully they were very kind enough to join and guide us. We didn't want to continue any further as the path was very difficult, and as we decided to go back, to our surprise, we came across this shelter in the middle of nowhere. As you can see, there's a goat, there are hens, papaya trees, few other vegetables are also grown here. Everything is set up nicely to survive. Not sure who and why someone will choose to live here. It is very difficult and dangerous to stay in these forested areas, especially with wild animals roaming. Finally, how to reach these waterfalls? Well, it's not that simple to answer, and most of these waterfalls are not listed in Google Maps. And as I mentioned earlier, it is also extremely difficult to reach. However, I did mention few village names, so once you reach these villages, maybe you can check with locals if they are happy to help. If yes, then you know what to do. But I don't recommend considering the difficulties involved. Difficulties like there are big rocks, no proper trekking path, there is no network coverage, etc. etc. Then as we made our way back to the place where we started or where we parked our vehicles, we saw this car rolled over, basically crashed, and we could hear people calling for help. Luckily, no one was injured. I don't have much information to share. I did capture the video, but I don't have the consent to share it. So, I think that's it for now, I guess. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, do share this video with your friends who love to travel and explore. Please avoid plastic, it's a worst enemy. Instead, use metal containers. Thank you for your time. All the best, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't.